This is a 2-colour, 2-row repeat pattern. I've done this one with 8 threads, but you could use as many as you want, as long as you have an even number of threads for each colour. To set up the threads, you want to place both colours alternately. So colour 1 next to colour 2 and vice versa all across. For row 1, you want to do all forward knots. For row 2 and all subsequent even number rows, you want to ignore the first and last threads, and starting with threads 2 and 3, you want to do forward backward knots. And you want to repeat these 2 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So when you finish, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've done 2 braided tie-on ends, 1 at each end, just to fasten on the bracelet, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed striped friendship bracelet.